Hey guys, we're back at the St. Anthony Sand Dunes Wednesday night.
You've been a customer at BoonDocker
A little over a year, yeah.
on snowmobiles.
On snowmobiles, yep.
Okay, so what do you ride for a snowmobile?
We have a 20 and a 21 850 RPA,
Yeah.
and they both have your turbos on them. They work wonderful. They're awesome.
So are you new to RZR stuff, or is
New to this RZR, I had a General, had different types of sport utility.
Okay.
All my buddies have RZRs. I can't drive a General like a RZR, so I bought this bad boy.
This is awesome. This is
Yeah.
great. This is going to be so much fun. So you have been to the sand dunes before?
No,
Not here, but
not
you've been
here.
to
Yeah,
other
in
sand dunes?
Arizona and Nevada.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Cool. So these are pretty big. I mean, you can kind of see them.
Yeah, they look bad, yeah.
We've been showing you guys the edge kit on the Turbo S of ours, and we made sure that we kind of dialed it in and developed it there. We had a lot of guys asking if it would fit the Pro XP or if it would fit the new Turbo R. Well, hey, yeah, we know it will. We know it'll tune up. We know it's going to be awesome. So let's reach out to some guys and see who wants to do one right off. And Kelly was number one on the list. So he brought us a brand new buggy, like all the way new, and said, go for it. So here we are. We've got it all dynoed up. It runs on pump gas. We've got it tired up now for the sand, and it's all clutched in and should be ready to go. So this is going to be maiden voyage.
Maiden voyage, yeah. 6 miles, all I had on it.
20 dyno miles. We're going to take a little bit different route than we usually do. We ride the tops a lot, and we kind of do a lot of transitions, and we're going to probably go to the north side. And if you're not really familiar with St. Anthony, you need to come out here and ride with us, first off. But on the north side there and the south side, there's marked trails. They have little markers. You can go from one marker to another. And the north trail is pretty fun. And then get these guys a little bit accustomed to it. And then maybe we'll do some transitions and some other stuff that's once we get out there. I think it's really important that we get you all the way out to Chokecherry, and we get you maybe out to Devil, so you kind of see everything. So,
Absolutely. Yeah.
awesome.
Looking forward to it. Shout out to you guys coming out here and just backing the buggy out, putting the whips on, and being able to ride it. Way cool. That's way cool. Good job, guys.
Cool. Let's go rip.
Okay, I'm gonna take Riley for a ride. So this is the first time he's been out to the St. Anthony Sand Dunes. We just drove all the way out to Chokecherry. He rode passenger with Kelly. And so now he jumped in the passenger seat of my buggy, and we're gonna take him up there and show him these RZR top transitions. So come along for the ride. What did you think of that?
Oh, it was awesome. It was crazy. Never experienced anything like it.
What was it like?
Well, I would say it's pretty similar to snowmobiling, you know, when you come up and you go in across those cornices. But as soon as you get those tires to go over to the top, then you can really feel it grab, you know? So that was kind of cool to see. But I can see how you can, it's pretty intimidating the first time, especially on these ones up here.